Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. We are going to discuss a case where the judgment was suddenly reversed or taken back by the High Court judge. Can it happen? Normally, we expect that it won't happen, but it happened. That's why I said it is an interesting story. It happened in Kolkatta on 7th of August 2023 in the Kolkatta High Court. What is this? Why such things do happen and what is the result? We have to discuss now. Right. So, the story goes like this. Justice Joy Sen Gupta was giving the ruling in the land dispute between two persons of Kidarpur area of Kolkata. That is, they are Mushirabad, two persons, Sandeep Pal and Govind Mandal. There was a land dispute between Sandeep Pal and Govind Mandal, right? They have been fighting for the land for the past 10 years or so. Civil and criminal cases were registered between both the groups. It so happened that Sandeep Patil approached the police and reported that in the month of May, this Govind Mandal, he has installed a Shivling in the disputed land and he wanted it to be removed. But the police did not take any action. Aggrieved by this, he approached the Honorable High Court of Kolkata, stating that the right to property is being violated and the person he has installed the so-called Shivalinga with the intention of bringing the religious sentiment with which the police are not actively cooperating with him. No doubt, previously when the dispute was there, when both of them quarreled with each other, the police registered, the police of Baldanga PS. They registered the cases, they arrested the persons, they filed the charge sheet and the charges are going on. While the matter was like this Govinda Mandal allegedly so-called he has installed or he has brought and kept it in the disputed land. So now the case came from the lower courts to the High Court judge before Mr. Joy Sen Gupta. The allegation of that Sandeep Pal is that Govinda Mandal installed the Shivling on the disputed land. It has to be taken away, but no action by the police. Right. Now, definitely, the Honorable High Court on 7/8/2023, on the bench, Honorable Justice Joy Sen Gupta, he was giving the ruling. What is that ruling? The ruling is the disputed place, the Shivalinga in the disputed place has to be removed. And the person who is taking the dictation, that is Assistant Registrar, Mr. Bishwant Roy, suddenly he fainted and immediately has to be shifted to the hospital, and the High Court Justice went inside and had a change of mind. After 10 minutes or so he came out and he has remanded back the case to the lower court, stating that since it is the dispute over the partition of the land or the title of the land, so it is better for the lower court to appreciate the matter and give a decision within 4 months. I think by now you might have understood. Actually, the ruling is that the Shivlinga has to be removed. But what happened? Because of the fainting, because of the religious sentiment, because of the involvement of Shivlinga, the judge has to change his mind and give another judgment. As elders, we can say, that's why. Please remember, even though you install some idol on the road, even though it causes traffic obstruction, normally the police will not venture because it is a matter related to religion, it is a matter related to emotions of the people, it is a matter which is sensitive and sentimental. So sentiment, the religious feeling has played a major part. Of course, this has come in the papers. We don't know whether that is the reason for remanding the case for back to the lower court or not, but it has come in the press. Therefore, since it is an interesting story, I am informing you. Thank you.